Welcome on my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. Before start today video, I request to all of viewers to please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Let's come to our today video.
Replacements. When a motor or generators need a replacing, do it the easy way. Contact your local ABB repair representative. Replacing existing equipment with a new ABB product is a great investment. The new units superior superior effect efficiencies and performance can ensure a very short back playback time whether you select a new motor or generator from our wide range of standard items of choose or trailer made unit. We can generally optimize into replace your existing equipments. In most cases we will be able to adapt the electrical designs to make the replacement fully interchangeable with the original. Utilizing our know-how and experience, we can easily provide replacement for third-party products. For the plant operator, this helps to minimize the downtime required, sites work and risk, and added benefits of a trailer made fully interchangeable replacement is that you may be able to keep your existing machines as spare. We will be placed to help you evaluate the potential to increase product productions rel- rel- reliability reliability and availability, as well as decrease energy and in maintenance cost with a replacement product from ABB. Key benefits: expert support is selecting replacement units, option of choosing from standard product, trailer made units, and replace replace access to original drawing and specifications for ABB products, access to latest technologies, option to select based on energy calculations, reduce life cycle cost, increased reliability, availability, and safety. Replacement of electric motors. The replications of electric motors that are no longer available today is one of the trailers drive solution of Menzel's electromotor and frequent frequently a content electric motor is produced for a specific applications. If if this motor need to be replaced, a practically identical motor is required. We can precisely replicate your electric motor so that the new motor is 100% suited to plant your plate plant. Okay, if you are looking for no more available three phase, so a motor from manufactured such as Siemens or ABB, we can replicate them at our modern and extensively equipped Berlin locations. Our engineer our engineer department is ideally prepared for the task of replacing existing motors with new replicas. The application of an electric motor by measures avoid high on-site cost conversion cost and low downtimes. In addition, there is no need to make change to your production plants which avoid the frequently subsequent consecutions of such modifications. Naturally, our replicate comply with all valid standard and regulations. Power range for individual replicas of industrial motors. Measures offer a range of possibilities of custom replicas of industrial motor in a low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, and direct current range. We can individually replace practically any electric motor with a presses appraises analysis of the situation and of your actual requirements enable us to select the best and most cost effective variant for you. Three-phase Engineer's equivalent case motor from 75 km to 25,000 kilo 75 kilowatt, I think, to 25 kW. Three-phase slip ring motor from 75 kW to 3000 kW. Direct current motors from 20 kW to 2000 kW. Various mountings, all protection classes and cooling methods for grid and converter operations. Replicates electric motor for all industry plants. Why is not open? Okay. Reproductions of existing drivers are used through Reproductions of existing drives are used throughout all industrial sections. Menzel has already replaced numerous drives machines with an accurate replicas. This includes industrial motors for mills, fan pumps, cranes, compressors, comper, compactor, factor, extruder, rolling mills, and all other types of industry motors. Through the use of modern components when producing motor, we can significantly increase the efficiency of your plants. Just ask our engineering about increasing the efficiency of your industrial plant. Menzel can produce historic electric motor. This allow you to continue to use your old production plant without a problem, even if the drives currently installed are no longer produce over or otherwise available today. We can make your an identical replacement. Today's industrial plant reach a significantly older age than was originally planned for. This is due to sophisticated designs, permanent operating data monitoring, and extensive servicing means your however into individual parts of an otherwise still fully functional industrial plant repeatedly need to be replaced. In the case of electric motor outside is the IEC standard range, you then required a manufacturer who can identically reproduce for the electric motors for the most variant of model range and brand. Mazel specialized in the reproductions of historical drive of regardless of whether these are three-phase motors or direct current motor. Due to our many years of market experience and extensive achieve, we are able to produce older machine of all bands. We simple require require the demolish and motor data of your old motor.
Thanks for watching video, but before to go, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.